The right to fair compensation and transparency in Land Acquisition and Rehabilitation and Resettlement Act 2013. The purpose of the Act is an act to ensure, in consultation with the institution of local self-government and Gram Sabha established under Constitution, a human, participative, informed and transparent process for land acquisition for industrialization of the essential infrastructural facilities and urbanization with the legislative disturbance to the owners of the land and other affected families, and provide just and fair compensation to affected families, just and fair compensation, whose land has been acquired or proposed to be acquired or affected by such acquisition, and to make adequate provisions for each affected person for their rehabilitation and resettlement, and for ensuring that the cumulative outcome of compulsory acquisition should be that affected persons become partners in development, leading to an improvement in their post-acquisition social and economical status and of connected therewith or incidental thereto. ഇതാണ് ഈ ആക്ടിൻ്റെ പേർപ്പസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. പണ്ട് 2013 ആക്റ്റാണ്, ലെങ്തി ആക്റ്റാണ്. ആക്ടിൻ്റെ പേര്, ഇനാക്ട്മെൻറ്റ് ഇയറും എല്ലാം അതിൽ എഴുതിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. ബാക്കി നമുക്ക് നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്ലാസ്സിൽ പഠിക്കാം. ഓക്കെ.